1981 Harley Davidson oil tank install. There's a certain sequence to get this bad boy in there because you're going to have interference between this tab and this lower tab right there on the bottom of the tank. You kind of got to go in, just finesse it. It's got to kind of go in at an angle. So your bike, you want to have it at maybe, I don't know, 15, 20 degrees at an angle. Watch out for your wires because they got to be in a certain sequence as well for your ignition. So kind of like that. So we're going to get around this first stud. So here's your ignition stud. Here's that first tab. But we got to get you got to kind of spin it almost all the way around. And then see where we got it spun, how we got it spun, but you're going to kind of bind up on that oil drain and then kind of come in. And you're on that stud. And we're on that stud down there. So that's your oil tank install.